Hi everyone, it's Heather. Today I'm sharing how I made some collage papers to use in my recycled art journal. I started with a lovely birthday gift from my daughter, a set of metallic acrylic paints from Flying Tiger. They're beautifully shimmery and a little bit transparent, which makes them perfect for layering. I don't use acrylics very often except for with the gel plate, so this was a great excuse to experiment with them. Rather than waste any leftover paint from my colour swatches, I brushed it onto some old book pages I'd torn out while making an upcycled art journal. I'll link that video below if you'd like to see the journal itself. From there I played with a mix of materials, children's gel crayons, Faber-Castell gelatos and some soft pastels I've been gifted. They're all non-toxic, creamy and water-soluble, so they smush around beautifully with a wet brush or a little bit of gesso. The gesso not only softens the colour but also adds a lovely texture to the paper. My approach was really loose, just getting as much colour and mark making down as I could. I tried to keep the palette simple on each sheet so that the papers wouldn't feel too busy, but I still wanted variety and contrast. One of my favourite tools for this is an expired gift card. It's brilliant for spreading paint or gesso around. I also love to use old corks to dab or swirl the colour around too. These free tools are often the best. Soft pastels work especially well with water. They move really easily and don't create quite as much dust once they're damp. I like leaving hints of the text underneath, extra depth. While I was working, it started to pour with rain, and I'm sitting in the extension at the moment with the bunnies snoozing beside me. So if you hear it in the background, that's what it is. It's actually quite cosy here. Towards the end, I tried dipping pastels in water first, which gives a really rich, intense colour. Some of my favourite sheets ended up looking a little bit like animal prints, the browns, blacks, russets, oranges, very autumnal. Adding a touch of black gives a nice range of values and makes the other colours pop. If you'd like to see some more of these finished collage papers, then you can join my Happy Saturday email list using the link in the description. So thanks very much for watching and happy creating!